Look at this, guys. I just found an adult Pinewood Littersnake right here. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous snake right here. Absolutely beautiful. And he's trying to get away. You can see this is that fossorial part of them right here. He's digging under all of this stuff right here. Let me get him out real quick. And I can already smell him musking all over my fingers here. When they musk, they release a very foul smell. But overall, this is a very beautiful snake right here. And I found him where I found those babies. So this tells me this is good, and there's a small breeding population here by my house. Overall, this is a very beautiful noodle. Love the noodle.